Hey, handsome. Hey, handsome. Hi. What you doing? You got your passy? Good job. Nice. Can you put it in right? Oh, it's upside down. It's upside down. You'll figure it out, won't you? Yeah. Yeah. Oh, what's going on over there? Did you just spit up and swallow it? Yummy. Thank you. I don't have to clean it up. Yeah. Uh-huh. So cute. What do you see? What do you see? Yeah? Oh, I heard that. Yuck. Where is it? Did you swallow it? Oh. There's a little bit. Just a little white chunk. Oh. Ugh. Gross. Gross, Jaker. Gross. But you're cute, so it's okay. It's okay. Where's your passy? There it is. You found it. What do you hear? Oh no.
He ran up with his whole body shaking and put his head down to sniff you. He thought he was a lap dog and he'd crawl up on the couch and try to fit on your lap.
I hope that is a former friend of his nowadays. Oakley is microchipped and registered. Harker has not had any luck finding him so far. Good news for swimmers and
Oh, it's so frustrating not having work. Oh, yeah, that's good. That's good. Awesome. Okay, that would be, what, number 10? Okay.